Salut tout le monde, aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour le 11e épisode de Sleeping Dogs. Je voulais vous montrer il me reste combien de missions. J'en ai fait combien genre? Regardez, j'ai fait 26. Il me reste 4 missions pour finir le jeu des Sleeping Dogs. Allez, je vais faire la mission directement.
You, 離開呢度 This doesn't concern you. Kill him. Dump him in the harbor when you're done. 打出嚟啊
Encore le bagarre. Viens. 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 Il me fait mal. Il va me tuer. C'est quoi? Il va foncer dedans. Dégage. Il y en a un, ça marche pas encore là. Ah, le gamin. Putain, il m'a tué. Se battre doucement parce que là ils vont me tuer. Viens. Ah, il est chiant lui. Bon, ouais. Mets le défense. Punaise. Bon. Viens. Non. Non, encore. Il y en a combien? Je vais boire vite. Je vais mourir. Les plus sûrs, c'est les gros là. Ah. Et il est bon. Huh?
Do you think it's over?
Not yet.
They have some weapons in the trunk. You better take them.
Thanks. You better lay low.
Wait, what's going on, man?
Shit, they're Mrs. Chu's. They're coming after everything we got.
Who do these fucks think they are?
Big Smiley's coming after us. I guess he figures I can't vote against him if we're dead.
Do you?
Big smile, Lee.
Yeah. You want out?
No, I'm with you all the way, boss.
We're with you, Wade.
Just for once, I'd like to fight someone outside my own triad, though.
Nah, tell him it's... Oh,
Wait, up here. Come on, let's move. Move it, move it. Okay. About time you guys got here.
Get inside! They're in the market, coming from the market.
wesh. C'est passé. Le bordel là.
Back alley.
Watch the front. I'll go check it out.
You stupid bitch! Where's Wei Shen? I got a message for him from Big Smile Lee.
Oh, yeah?
Ha! Just the piece of shit I'm looking for. You're going to vote for Lee, you hear me? You don't, we're gonna fuck you. All your ancestors and
These guys don't give up. Fuck!
Reset.
Oui, la voiture.
Here comes some more. Fuck these guys. Here comes some more. Dead. Wait, it's killers. Fuck these guys. Wait, up here. Get up here. Up here. Wait.
Get a load of this. Jesus fucking Christ.
Lance là, donc let's go.
Careful about guys.
Yes. Yes, cette valise.
This city's gotten completely out of hand. It's us or them now? Let's go.
Hey, go allá. Get in. We
Il
gotta
se
move.
barre de la police.
Just
Hurry. Shit.
C'est bon, hein. Je sors de la zone. Oh non. Il dit c'est bon, mais je suis sorti de la zone normalement. Ouais, il faut les taper. On dégage. Ok.
Where we going?
we gotta get to Ricky. I don't want him on Big Smile Lee's side.
How are you gonna bring him over?
I got an idea. Where the hell is Jackie?
I don't know. I haven't seen him.
Call him.
No answer. Before you came along, I expect him to be hiding out somewhere. Now, I don't know.
What, you think they might have gone after him?
They went for Mrs. Chu. Fuckers are going after everyone.
arrivé.
Hey, Ricky. Whoa, get easy, Ricky. Look. We have to talk.
I got nothing to say to you.
Calm down, okay? Listen. Big Smiley's coming after anyone who's a threat.
I work for Sonny Woe. We're Lee's biggest backers, and unlike you, I'm loyal to my friends. Sonny told me about you and Vivian.
What? Ricky, I didn't do anything. I swear it.
But
Sonny recorded a video of us together to blackmail me, and now the police have it. They're threatening to release it if I don't testify against Sonny.
What do you think Lee will do to her when he hears?
you said no?
Of all the people Sonny told me to be with, Wei is the only one who said no. The only one. Even you. You didn't say no.
Listen, Ricky, you have to choose. If you back Sonny, Lee will probably ask you to kill her yourself. Or you can get her out of here, keep her safe, and Sonny stays in jail.
Okay, but what about Big Smile Lee?
You let me worry about Lee. Listen up. You better keep a low profile for a while.
Yeah.
All right. See you.
Bon, première mission finie. Il en reste 3. Ah ouais, il est trop loin la mission. On se trouve là-bas du coup parce que ça va être trop long. Bon, j'arrive.
You got a lot of nerve after that shit Pendrew pulled at the funeral. What, he sent you to finish the job?
Pedro doesn't know I'm here, all right? I'm completely violating protocol. Look, I never wanted you for this job because of what Dog Eyes did to your sister and how you handle things in San Francisco. But you've done better than anyone could have expected. I can only imagine the pressure you must have been under.
Don't get sappy on me now, Raymond.
Wait, you crossed Pendrew, right? He's cut you off, and this is your last chance to come in clean.
What? But what's he gonna do? Arrest me? Call me a rogue cop? Look, I need you to be straight with me. Is he gonna blow my cover?
I don't know what he'll do. Not anymore. Wait, just come back with me now. You're a good man. We can fix this. Smooth it over with Pendrew.
Jackie, not now. I'm busy.
Mr. Shen, we have your friend, so listen very carefully. You'll receive our instructions. Follow them if you want him to live.
Look, it's Jackie. I need to go.
Wait. Wait!
Okay lah.
I have a hard time making up my mind when it comes to... Be careful!
Idéalement.
Hold it right there. Head him down, Mule Shoes.
Try anything
Qu'est-ce
and
qui
your
se
friend
passe là?
dies.
Il nous fuit.
Oh, he's clean.
Where's Jackie?
Go ahead. The man is down there.
Where's Jackie?
You're as dumb as you look!
Encore des bagarres, ils vont nous saouler avec les bagarres.
Kill him! You know we're not letting you out of here!
Il reste un bon, mais je descends en plein combat. Ah, ça marche. On peut le mettre ici. Ça fait quoi? Ah! Bébé. C'est trop violent. Bientôt. Et le boss, il est où quoi là? Viens. Il a l'air cheaté. Viens. Non.
You're never going to find him. Stop. Stop.
Tu vas parler ou je te mets dans la...
I don't know. I don't know what they did.
Parlez.
What do you mean you don't know?
I was just supposed to kill you. I don't know anything about the other guy.
Who does?
DY, H&K's head enforcer.
How do I get to him?
I don't know. I only talked to him by phone.
You tell me, and I might let you live, you stupid fucker.
I only talked to him on my phone. Here, take it.
Non.
Push his hard.
Là, on dégage son camion moto.
You are?
Who the hell is this? Where's Horseface?
This is New Shoes. I work for Horseface.
I'm not talking to you. Put your boss on.
He's dead. Shen killed him.
What?
Shen killed him. Plan didn't work.
Et lui, hein. Let's go.
I hope you're not afraid of ghosts.
Voiture.
I've come for you.
Damn it!
Il ouvre une voiture. C'est celui-là. Vite. Ah, c'est... tomber ce gamin. Tombé de sol, non? Aïe, il fait mal avec son couteau.
Salty, this is Way. I need a boat and I need a gun. Can you meet me in Kennedy Town? And Salty.
On veut faire le tour, je fais une avec toi. Non. En lutte. Le moto, lui, là, il va vite, hein. Limite, je vais le tuer, là. Hop. C'est au-dessus.
Gun is in a boat as requested. I put a lot of ammo too.
Thanks.
Want a traveling companion?
Thanks, but this is personal. Pissing me off.
Ouais. C'est où le pont? On fait un voyage quand même. Oh là là. Le bateau il va vite là. Il est arrivé sans.
Jackie!
Sans voler.
Oh, Jackie, Jackie, shit, hold up! I'm getting you out! Jackie! Jackie, shit! Oh, fuck!
Ah, c'est pour sauver une amie. Une amie était dans le sable là.
Are you okay?
Qui ont tiré vivant.
Calm down. I'm right here, brother.
I was gonna fucking die down there, man. Fuck! I thought I was gonna die like an animal, man. Fucking like a dog or something.
Come on, brother. You're okay. I got your back.
Fuck! Fuck! Duh. Wait. Thanks, bro.
How'd they get you?
Man, it was Big Smile Lee, man. This guy fucking grabbed me at the fucking funeral. Tossed me off to 18K, man.
Yeah, they used you to get me into an ambush.
Lee. Fuck is worth the dog eyes, man. Fuck.
We'll get him, Jack. Come to the lecture and tell the others what happened. That'll be the end of Lee.
Man, I don't want anything. Winston's dead. Peggy's dead.
So what do you want to do now, Jackie? The election's tomorrow. We'll want to check out the building, make sure that Big Smile Lee isn't planning any surprises. But we got some time to kill.
I don't know. I almost bought it today, man. For real. I think I'm just gonna go take a walk or something. Got some shit to think about.
Sure, man. It's cool.
I'll see you tomorrow or something.
All right. Don't do anything stupid.
Deuxième mission enchaînée. Il reste 2 missions. Ah si, je vous les 2 missions dans cette vidéo ou le prochain vidéo. Je sais pas trop. Il y a une maison de... Non, pas maison. Hôtel de santé, je crois, je l'ai vu là-haut. La mairie, let's go.
Sandra? It's Wei.
Took you long enough to call.
Well, sometimes you have to wait for good things.
Waiting isn't my strong point. So, you taking me driving?
Yeah, I'll come pick you up.
I'd like that.
Cool. I'll be there soon.
Ciao.
Hello? Ileana?
Yes, who is this?
It's Wei. You gave me your number at K-Bar?
I didn't expect you to actually call.
Really? I'd like to hang out. You free?
Yeah, I'm off work in a little while. Can you meet me at K-Bar?
Yeah, sure. I'll see you there.
See you.
Donc d'abord, on doit aller dormir, bon, on va voir s'il y a la mission ou pas. Et après, je vais vous dire est-ce que je continue ou pas. Ouais, c'est bon, ça a débloqué la mission. You. Allez. Là, je pense que je vais continuer la prochaine fois, hein. C'est mieux, comme ça, je vous laisse une dernière vidéo de la fin, quoi. Des suites, les Sleeping Dogs. Bon, tout le monde, je vais arrêter la vidéo pour aujourd'hui. Merci de m'avoir suivi. J'espère que vous avez aimé la vidéo. N'hésitez pas à liker, vous abonner, activer la cloche et partager. Au revoir tout le monde. On se retrouve bientôt pour le épisode final des Sleeping Dogs.